Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Pro and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And if you're ready, if you've got the internet connection, just enter the Play Store. Now all you have to do is to simply tap on this circle in the right upper corner, of course if you're signed in. If not, you will have to log in with your Google account and then just tap on it. Here let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And as you can see, in my case I've got 61 apps currently installed on my device, and in order to check the updates we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, we've got only 7 updates, so all you have to do right now is to simply mark the one you would like to update. Of course you can mark, I don't know, like 3-4 different apps. It's of course up to you, and after marking them just tap on this update icon in the right corner. And as you can see right now, those apps and actually their updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more manually. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Motorola Edge 30 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.